Hey guys, this is Eric with Destiny Auto Diagnostics. Today we have a 2014 Kia Optima. We are gonna do the passenger side view mirror unit, and then we're gonna do the steering coupler. The little plastic piece that always makes noise. So let me show you guys what we do in order to remove the side view mirror. It's a pretty easy procedure, So check it out. So, in order to get to that, first gotta remove this, okay, and then just remove all three bolts and pretty much comes out. That's the mirror right there. These are my tools. As you can see, I don't have much. Alrighty, I'm trying to be as clean as possible on this matter. Alrighty guys, so and then later on I'm gonna show you what we do in order to do the steering coupler. Okay, check it out. Alrighty guys, so let me show you the part that I'm replacing on this one for the steering coupler. Okay, this thing will make noise, on the steering. When you turn the wheel, it will make like a clunking and like clack, 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 clack. So just because of that little part, start getting that kind of issue. Check it out. So this is the little part. Okay, this is called the steering coupler, and that thing goes in here, in there. If you see that thing has disintegrated. You see that? It's disintegrated in there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean it up and we're gonna put it back together, and then you shouldn't have no issue. So all that for this little coupler. It's plastic, so it gets ruined over time.